Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. So I recently got one requirement. Let me show you. This is an incident form and I can check the history using list as well, right? Calendar and list. But this option is not available for non-admin users. But my organization want it to be. So how to accomplish that? Let me test it. First of all, let me go to some non-admin user, impersonate. This is Abel. So if I reload this incident, right click, history, calendar. So list is not available, right? So now how to accomplish that? Let me go back to my account and impersonation. So now first of all, let's go to the list, right click here, then click on list. So if you look closely, we are just displaying this particular table's record. This is sys history set. So what come into our mind is that we need to create an ACL because we need to access a table, right? The ITL user or any non-admin user is not able to access sys history set table. That's why they are not seeing it properly, that option of list. So now we have to create one ACL and we just need to see it. That's why that ACL should be of read type. So now let's go to the ACLs. Let me elevate role, being a security admin, click on OK. Go to access control, click on new, select the operation as a read, select the table. This is the table, sys history set. Because we just need to see the table of the record, that's why a table level ACL will be okay. Now save it. Continue. Now it's time to add the role. We are doing this for ITIL role. Select ITIL here. Save it. I think this is it. Let's impersonate. Just clear the cache. Now reload this incident. Let's check it now. Yes, bingo, we got what we want. We are able to see the list here and we are able to see all the audit history being logged in as a ITIL user. So what we did here, we analyzed the problem, we reached up to a conclusion and bingo, we got it correct. So that's what you have to think, my friends. Let me know if you have any question. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.